Hey guys, so under a minute, I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually delete your funnels or pages from the Clickfunnel. And so how we do this, we just click on the funnel or page we want to delete. Double click on it. And then we will want to go to settings. Then once that shows up, we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and archive the funnel. But all right, so once you archive the funnel, this is the same as deleting it. Archiving the funnel just means that it saves it right here in the archive section, and it's in like pre-deletion. So all these right here are archived for a certain amount of time, but soon it should reflect in your funnels as well as in your funnel counter. Now, what you can do if it doesn't show in either or your funnel stats or in the funnel list, okay, there we go. So we just went back and refreshed it. So if it doesn't show here like mine just did, you can go right here at the top, sign out, sign back in, and that should work. If it doesn't, just wait, hold it off for about a day, maybe two, depending on how many pages you have on there. You should kind of see how long it should take for those things. So if you have a funnel that has a lot of pages, a lot of links, a lot of things to get rid of, it might take a little bit longer than that one which I just made, for example, with nothing on it. So that's the end of this video. Real quick, for the people who are interested in gaining traffic, who are new to affiliate marketing, this is the second most important thing besides finding a good product or service. So I feel that most people have a good product or service that they have with, that they're trying to promote as an affiliate marketer. The second is actually trying to find your people. So if you're interested in trying to find your people, I would definitely suggest this book from the guy who actually created ClickFunnels. Right here is his book off of Amazon. So as you can see right here, the hardcover is $19.69. Reminding you, this is the guy, Russell Brunson, is a guy who's responsible for turning ClickFunnels from a $0 to $100 million company in a couple of years. ClickFunnels has not been around that long. And so if there's any guy that you want to figure out how to use his tactics of getting inside the mind of your audience, I would definitely recommend this book. So you can either go right here to Amazon and purchase his book for $19.69, or what you can do is go to his trafficsecrets.com, where he actually gives away the book just for the price of shipping, which is $9.95. So you can either go off Amazon, buy the hard copy, or you can just get a little flimsy something for $9.95. Either or, great value, great content. If you want to figure out, who your audience is, what are they interested in, how can you attract them to your product? These are all very, very crucial steps when it comes to becoming successful in affiliate marketing. And if you want to figure out those secrets, then I would definitely recommend you to get this book by Russell Brunson, pretty much the entrepreneur of entrepreneurs. And so I'll leave both descriptions for the Amazon link as well as the traffic secrets down in the description below. You're free to check both of those out. And so that's the end of this video. So until next time, peace.